Ooh, girl. Ah, that's the best part for me. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spoolie and begin to brush my brows in the direction that they naturally go. This little applicator brush came with a brow pomade that I bought before, but this is the Tom Ford Gel Pomade, and I'm just going to dip the applicator in the pomade and begin to apply it to my brows. Notice right here that I've taken the brow pomade up just a bit. That's to increase the arch of my brow. Here's where I begin to fill in the front or the beginning part of the brow, and I allow that to go up to the arch that I created and down to the end of the brow. Because this brow is a little less filled in than my other side, I start at the beginning and take the arch up just a bit higher on this side. And as you can see, I have to clean it up just a bit, but I still follow the same pattern as I did on the other side. I'll be using 2 shades of concealers to clean up the brows and create a more seamless look. You don't have to use 2 shades of concealers, but if you choose to do so, put the darker shade on first and apply the lighter shade on top. I'm using a flat applicator brush and just dipping it in the concealer that I've applied to my lid and using it to clean up underneath the brow. And right here you see me blending it down to the eyelid. If you want to clean the top of your brows, do not use the lighter shade concealer, use a darker shade. Using the darker shade eliminates that halo effect that the lighter shade concealer can create. Now I'm going to go in with another flat eyeshadow brush and this old MAC eyeshadow girl. And I'm just going to fill in the brows just to make them a little bit darker than what they already are. Just as some finishing steps, I'm going to take the spoolie again and brush the brows into place. That way the pomade and the eyeshadow kind of blend in together and just give a seamless look. Clean it up one more time just for GP, and that's it, y'all. Bye.